Hey guys, it's Heather. It has been a little while. I have been struggling with some personal stuff, so I apologize that I haven't been uploading as much, but I hope that it will get better soon. Anyway, bringing some fall decor here today, doing a little decorating, a little cleaning. I picked up all of these gorgeous flowers from Michael's and at home. I will link everything down below. And I'm just showing you here how I am putting them together. So the first bundle, these are just the cream. They're by Ashland from Michael's, and they are the peonies. So basically what I do is I'm just alternating in the orange because I'm going with the pops of orange and the pops of the blue. What's nice about these stems is that they do come as a bundle, but you can easily, well, not easily, but kind of easily cut them, and it's a wire and you can just bend them and snap them. These are great because you can kind of mold them to whatever shape you need. It looks a little funky at first, but you have to just trust the process, and you'll see at the end as I add everything in, it all comes together really nicely. So taking these blue berries, just bending the stem. I also end up cutting a couple of these just to add some dimension and some height. It kind of resembles a peacock right now, but it will look better in a minute, trust me. So using this fall eucalyptus for some of the finishing touches, just playing with it to see how it is going to look. So these stems are pretty long, so you just bend them, do the little cut and just twist, and they do snap off pretty easy. So I actually just shorten them, plop them in. Looks so much better this way. You'll see here in a minute. I am really happy with the way it turned out. I love the orange with the pop of blue. Really, really pretty for fall. I'm gonna make one more of these for my island centerpiece, and I will just speed through this process a little bit so you can see exactly how I did it. Moving on to some other fun decor. How cute are these? I picked them up from At Home. I got 2 of them. I originally wanted to put them next to my stove, but they ended up being too small, but I figured that they were perfect to hold like coffee pods, stuff like that. So I'll show you here in a minute. And then I also got these really pretty blue velvet pumpkins, and then just some little orange foam pumpkins that I got right off of Amazon. I'll link everything down below. I originally wanted to place them here, but I ended up doing little floral arrangements instead and worked them in. I'll show you later on in the video, but this is that first arrangement that we did. Love this ginger jar. I will link the site down below. Every color, pattern you could think of, they make. So I also added in some floral arrangements here, added in some blue hydrangea, some peonies, and then the little pumpkins next to it. I think it looks really cute, really easy, just fun and simple. So some other decor, I love this white foam pumpkin. It is super simple. And I also put together an arrangement here with just some of the stems that I showed earlier. Came out really easy. Love it for the pops of the blue. So since my couch is a cream and there's a lot of creams and whites, I found this blanket, very fall, matched the color scheme on Amazon, and I figured it would look great just draped over the couch. So it's super wrinkled. I'm gonna lay it out and then maybe like pop it in the dryer. It's a weird material, so I don't want to wash it necessarily. Anyway, we're gonna move on and clean the countertop using my favorite, the Weeman Quartz and Stone. This is the Shine counter cleaner. It does such a good job at removing all of the gunk and the residue and just making your stone look brand new again. And note to self, this sweater is not the best to clean with. I was trying to look presentable for you guys for the video, and I'm just wiping the countertop with my sweater. I need to do a quick vacuum before I move on to some of the throw pillows that I got. A lot of the pillows I have are pillow covers, and then I get the inserts like 24 by 24, and then the actual covers are 22 by 22, so it gives them like that very full look, so you can do that nice chop. And I know you love my coffee table. It is actually a gymnastics cheese mat, and we just fold it in half and put the towel over, or the blanket over. This way there's no accidents and nobody slams their head on anything hard. It works pretty nice. This might be my favorite thing. Check out this monstrous pumpkin. I got it from At Home. It's like a big pumpkin pillow. I love it. Perfect little centerpiece for my coffee table. And I'm going with the orange and blue theme, so I'm gonna use some of my older pillows that I had and then also put in there like the pops of the animal print. Just keep it really simple. I like to just use what I already have and kind of mix and match. So that's it for this video. Next video is going to be a cleaning products haul. So I'm going to be sharing with you some new cleaning products that I got, and we're going to test them out. So it should be a fun one. It'll be the following week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind